Hello everyone, welcome back to Craft Jenny. In this video, I'm going to make this simple greeting card. We need two colors here. You can match the colors as you prefer. I'm marking 1 centimeter distances 4 times. And mark 4 centimeter distance here. In the other side, mark the center point of the 4 centimeter distance. Now we can draw a half circle like this. Repeat the same steps with the other color also. Okay, now mark 1 centimeter distances in this side also. You can draw the lines as I'm doing here and cut through them. We can make the heart shape with these two shapes. We are sharing many kinds of crafting tutorials like this in our YouTube channel. So, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications for more videos like this. Okay, now we can paste the heart we made to the greeting card as you prefer. Hope you enjoyed our video. Give a like, comment and share with your friends. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications for more videos like this.